Okay, we're out at another contiguous claim find, a square mile of our claims in Arizona. And I'm just going to do a quick little video here. So years ago, probably over 100 years, give or take, these small pits that you're seeing were mined out, and the miners that worked these pits were definitely looking for valuable resources, precious metals. So as I come back here from this beautiful scenery here and the peaks, now all this here we have claims set up, and more to come, we can do 50 to 100 claims a year on top of the over 50, 60, 70 claims we already have. Here's a good look at the pit. Now I'm going to come back over here. Now here's some old cans. Now this isn't 100 years old, but this is probably in the last 50 years, 25, 50 years. Some empty food cans from the miners where they camp out here and they dug in, going back to the 60s, 50s, 40s, whatever. As you see, there's more empty cans around. Then we're going to come over here, and this is where another small pit was dug out by hand. These guys did it all by hand back then. This pit is like, 2.5, 3 feet wide by probably 10 to 12 feet long. And now here's a big pit. Now this is very old. Now this strike, okay, this pit, we owning the claim, it has to be fenced off for protection. A lot of people riding their ATVs around and so forth, so you have to be very careful. But as we come over to this pit, and there's still pictures of this, look at this pit, how deep this goes. Okay, this pit goes way down. This is like about a 30-40 foot drop, as you see. I'll try to zoom in. You can see the little levels, kind of like a slowly staircase descending. And once this pit goes down and it comes to a turn, it turns dead left over to here and goes down underground, way down into here. Now that's where they knew how to strike it, to follow the main. So like with the pathfinders and the things that they would see, the clues, they would follow the resources, the strong markings of pathfinders of all the different ores: gold, manganese, copper, quartz, ore, iron, everything. So what we'll do is when we get the heavy equipment, we'll go ahead and start completing this in the new century, 2018, 20, 22, 24, 2030, etc. with our group, investors and partners. So this is incredible for me, because look at this full moon, just about. I come out here at our partner, and I never ever been to this area of Arizona. I came in once with an old friend 15, 20 years ago for a wedding it was in Tucson. This is a different area, but confidentially, we are on our way to another huge valuation strategy for Nash Holdings and our group partners. Now we have the oil, the gas, the equipment, gold from UAE and Africa. Now we have USA, American gold, mining in the good old USA. And then we're going to have a 10-year gold program. A 10-year gold program where people can invest, and they're going to be buying and investing in the gold at 10-20% discount at the current market price. And over a 10-year program, if they want to get out in year 3, year 5, year 7, it's okay. They pay a small fee to exit, and if the gold price is down, we give them 7% flat a year, so they get interest on their money. If gold goes up, we buy the contract back and pay them off the gold price of the market price. So here we're selling it to them at discount price, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years in the past, and we're giving them the best benefit. Okay, and this is also going to lock in with our cryptocurrency that we're putting up. Remember, as the other videos that you might have seen on the website, we talk about our attorney who just retired from the SEC, who's in private practice, make sure we do everything proper, regulated to the SEC, United States federal government, Treasury, and European central banking. So folks, this is what it's about: hard work, bringing the right people together, good investment opportunities. Our stock shares right now still 25 cents a share. Pre-IPO, through a purchase agreement, direct offer through our company before we start trading in the next year or two. So you're able to come in and get it very low cost. We could open up on the market 3, 5, 7, 10. The way I'm building this company, we could be opening up at $50 a share. Who knows? It depends on what we what we set up with our Wall Street underwriters and the multiple factors and everything that gears on opening day what our set price will start at. The cryptocurrency, as I mentioned, okay, the 10-year gold program, the oil and gas, the food and beverage, you know, the movie production, the dental patented orthodontic products, the private airport with the opportunity to do manufacturing in upstate New York with the help of New York State and Startup Now, Jobs Now, with Cornell University as our incubator. I mean, I can go on and on and on. Alive Aloe Vera, my financial book, the Credit Fixer book, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. New Zealand. Okay, UAE, Turkey. I mean, these people are here to make money. They're already dual citizens making tons of great profits with businesses in the United States. Okay, so you know, if you have the mind to make money, whether it's 5 to 10,000, 50, 100,000, a half a million, 5, 10 million, you have to get a hold of us and place that money with us. It's only going to grow, is what we anticipate.